So far, Sanur seems very like older people, very relaxed. Like there's nothing going on. So in front of the beach, there's a lot of resorts here, hotels and stuff that, yeah, we don't have a lot of this in Canggu. We have like beach club. There's a lot of security over here. It's a dangerous area over here or something. I don't know. Could be. Hello. Is it dangerous over here?
Yes. I'll tell you what, I love this environment at Sanur. It's very family oriented. So I could really see like an older family coming over here, you know, like maybe 35 and plus. I've seen a lot of older people up to like 55, 60, 65, just really relaxing.
So it's pretty awesome when you get to the tip of Sanur where it kind of turns at the end of the island. You see, you got a lot of little restaurants and shopping here. It's pretty cool. Right on the beach. All right, so interesting. It's very cheap out here. It's about 40% cheaper. So something that costs $10.
So it's really fun in Sanur, but I really like the action and I don't know, the adrenaline of Canggu. Sanur is more for people that just really want to relax. They're really done with, you know, the action. They probably had a lot of action in their life and they just really want to relax. Another cool thing about Sanur is that it has a very calm harbor. So if you need to dock your boat or something, it's fantastic. Or if you're into boating and you're going to buy a boat, you plan on buying a boat, you would dock it in Sanur because that bay doesn't have a lot of high waves like Canggu, Uluwatu, and all that good stuff. There's no way you'd be bouncing around in Canggu, and the waves are really big. It's like Surfer City and all this. So they have docks. Anyways, we're going through a shortcut here, back up to Canggu. Right now I'm Karabokan. Looks like we're headed back over there, so I'm super excited to get back to Canggu. A little bit more adrenaline. So as you can see, like it's major traffic in Canggu. It's overcrowded, overpopulated. It doesn't have the infrastructure. Like check out this road right here in Sanur. Look at this big old 6-lane. This is 3 lanes on one. We don't have that in Canggu. No way, no how. You may get it a little bit in Seminyak, but this is the kind of roads we're looking at in Canggu like this. This is a normal road in Canggu, just that, you know, it's like little alleys. Look at this traffic though in Canggu. It gets crazy busy. You can only get a motorcycle. If you get a car, be prepared to be in traffic for hours. This is a little place I stopped at just for a little drink. And you know, it looks scary, but it really isn't. It really isn't. I was just getting to get a little drink real quick. These people in Bali are just amazing, dude. Because they got the little refrigerator over there. But the refrigerator don't work, so I just got a hot water. They don't work. She said it don't work. I'm just driving around the neighborhood to see what's over here. So it looks like they do have. It looks like they really do have some good restaurants over here in Sanur. Not like Canggu where we have the fine dining, you know, because there's a lot of foreigners in Canggu. So you'll have like all kinds of beach clubs and expensive fine dining, but there's some cool restaurants in Sanur, and it's very local oriented, you know. It's really laid back, chill. I think you might check out this road in Sanur. I wanted to show you real quick. Look at this structure. I know it's common in America, but here in Canggu, it is not. Look at this cleanliness. Like this is what you get used to in Canggu. Compare that to Canggu right here. Enjoy. Hit that thumbs up and notification bell, subscribe, and all that good stuff. It really helps support the channel. Let me know I'm on the right track of giving you valuable information just to keep you, heavily organized and educated about traveling overseas. See you on the next one.